Welcome back to my channel. Revved Up Ride. The Honda CRF50F is one of the most iconic and reliable dirt bikes for young riders and beginners. Designed for kids and smaller riders, the CRF50F is an excellent entry-level dirt bike that combines durability, ease of use, and a fun riding experience. Whether you're introducing a child to off-road riding or looking for a lightweight, low-maintenance bike, the CRF50F is an outstanding choice. Engine and performance. The CRF50F is powered by a 49cc air-cooled, 4-stroke engine, making it perfect for beginners. The engine is smooth and predictable, delivering just the right amount of power for new riders to build confidence. With an automatic 3-speed transmission and no clutch, it allows young riders to focus on learning throttle control and balance without the complexity of manual shifting. The kickstart mechanism ensures that the bike starts easily, and Honda's reputation for reliability means it will keep running smoothly with minimal maintenance. Frame and suspension. Built with a rugged steel frame, the CRF50F can withstand rough terrain and beginner mistakes. Its telescopic front forks and single-shock rear suspension provide a comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and allowing for smooth handling. The low seat height of 21.6 inches makes it accessible for younger riders, allowing them to touch the ground easily and feel more in control. Safety and control. Safety is a top priority for beginner bikes, and the CRF50F includes several features to keep young riders safe. The adjustable throttle limiter allows parents to control how much power the bike delivers, ensuring that kids don't go too fast too soon. The drum brakes on both the front and rear wheels provide reliable stopping power, and the lightweight design, weighing just 110 pounds, makes it easy for kids to maneuver. Why choose the Honda CRF50F? 1. Legendary reliability. Honda's 4-stroke engines are known for lasting a long time with minimal maintenance. 2. Beginner-friendly. The automatic transmission, low seat height, and adjustable speed make it perfect for new riders. 3. Durability. Built tough to handle rough rides and occasional falls. 4. Resale value. Honda dirt bikes hold their value well, making them a great investment. The Honda CRF50F is an excellent choice for parents looking to introduce their kids to the thrill of off-road riding. With its balance of safety, performance, and durability, it remains one of the best beginner dirt bikes on the market.